So today we have an interesting geometrical problem. The given spiral that you can see on the screen has been formed using similar right angled triangles. Let me repeat, similar right angled triangles has been arranged in the specific pattern so as to form this particular spiral. Now all you have to find is the ratio of the white shaded region to the complete figure. So let us see the solution. How can we solve for this? So first of all, let us count how many similar right angle triangles are present in the spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so 12 similar right angle triangles are present in the spiral. Keep that in your mind and let us move on to the solution. Now there are two things to be noted. The first one is that these triangles are similar triangles. The second one is they are right angle triangles. So first of all, we are going to utilize that these triangles are similar right angle triangles. So for that, I am just zooming at this particular point. So here we have zoomed at that particular point. Now if you have two similar triangles, what can you have from that? The first thing that we can have is that all angles between that triangle are equal and the sides are in proportion. So here we are going to utilize that angles are equal. Now in this first right angle triangle, if I will take this particular angle as theta, 90 degree is present over here, the 90 degree for the second one is over here, for the third is over here, fourth is over here, the fifth is over there, the sixth is over here. Similarly, all that angles in this 12 triangles is 90 degree. Now if I will take this angle as theta in this first triangle, what can you say about this particular angle? So now here we will utilize the fact that these triangles are similar triangles, as this and this are 90, so this is theta, so this is also going to be equal to theta. Similarly, this is also theta, this is also theta, and finally this is also theta. So these all angles are theta. Now as we discussed, there are total 12 triangles, so this theta are going to be in total 12. So this complete angle is 360 degrees. So we have 360 degree angle and that is divided into 12 equal parts. So 360 is equals to 12 theta. And if we will divide both the sides by 12, we will have the value of theta that is going to be equals to 30 degree. So here we have a nice value for theta that is going to be equals to 30 degree. Remember that theta is going to be equals to 30 degree. So all this theta are going to have a value that is equals to 30 degree. Remember that. Now let us play with the sides of this triangle. Now look in this first right angle triangle. If I will take the height of this right angle triangle as a and the base as equals to y, can you define y in terms of a? Yes, it is very easy, as this triangle is a right angle triangle and theta is equals to 30 degree. We can simply take the ratio of 10 that is going to be equals to opposite upon the base. Opposite is a and the base is equals to y, and the perspective of angle is going to be theta that is equals to 30 degree. So tan 30 is going to be equals to a upon y. Now tan 30 has a value that is going to be equals to 1 upon square root of 3. So from here we can easily have the value of y in terms of a that is going to be equals to root 3a. So we'll replace y with the value that is going to be equals to root 3 times a. Okay. Now we have a right angle triangle. The height is a, the base is root 3 times a. Now by simple Pythagoras theorem, we can have that the hypotenuse is going to be equals to 2 times a. Now look in this blue triangle, we have the base as equals to 2 times a. This angle was theta and theta is having a value 30 degrees. So we can again take the ratio of 10 of 30 degree in this triangle so as to get the height that is going to be equals to 2 times a upon root 3. So in this triangle, the height is 2 times a upon root 3, the base is 2 times a. And in the previous one, the height is a and the base is 3 times a. Now let us take the area of this both. So let the area of this blue triangle be equals to b, and let the area of this first triangle be equals to something like a. So now what we will do is find the ratio of a upon b. So one thing is very easy for us, that a and b are right angle triangles. So a, that is the area of this bottom right angle triangle, is going to be equals to half the base into height. So the base is root 3 times a and the height is going to be equals to a. Now as we have to find a relation between a and b, what we will do is find the ratio of a upon b. So here I have written a, that is the area of this bottom triangle, in its formula. Similarly, we will write b in its formula. So b is going to be equals to half the base into height. The base of that triangle is 2 times a and the height is going to be equals to 2 times a upon root 3. Now to find a relation between a and b, I will simply divide these two equations. So LHS upon LHS, that is a upon b, is going to be equals to half of root 3a into a upon half of 2 times a into 2 times a upon root 3. So now let us cancel out the things. So half and half got cancelled out, a and a got cancelled out. Now simplifying this thing will give me 3 upon 4. And after the cross multiplication, we will have that 4 times a upon 3 is going to be equals to the value of b. So here we have the value of b in terms of a, that is going to be equals to 4 times a upon 3. And now we have two nice things between a and b, that b is a non-white area and we have found b in terms of a, and that is a white area. The second thing is that b and a are simultaneous right angle triangles. So this pattern can be just followed up between these all triangles. And the third thing over here is that the number of triangles is even, that is equals to 12, So the pairs of two triangles can be found very easily. So now let us see the same pattern in the other two triangles. Now let the area of this white triangle be equals to C and area of this blue triangle as equals to D. Now what we have to find is D in terms of C. So let us do that. So for that, what I will do is take the height of this white triangle as equals to B. This angle was equals to theta, theta was equals to 30 degree. We can again take the ratio of tan 30, that is B upon the base of this triangle. So we will get that the base is root 3 times B. In this right angle triangle, the height is B, the base is root 3 times B. So by simple Pythagoras theorem, we can have that the hypotenuse is going to be equals to 2 times B. Now in this blue triangle, this angle is theta, theta is again 30 degree. The base is 2 times B. So again by taking the ratio of tan 30, we can have that the height of this blue triangle is going to be equals to 2 times B upon root 3. Now what we can observe is that now the steps that we follow to find the value of B in terms of A, the same steps we will follow to find D in terms of C. C is having an area that is going to be equals to half, the base that is root 3 times B, and hypotenuse that is B. Now D is having an area that is half, the base that is going to be equals to 2 times B, and hypotenuse that is 2 times B upon root 3. Now taking the ratio of C upon D, that is going to be equals to ratio of their formulas. Now half and half got cancelled out, B and B got cancelled out. This ratio will give me 3 upon 4. After the cross multiplication, we will have D in terms of C. After the cross multiplication, we will get that 4 times C upon 3 is the value of D. Now there is something to be noticed. What we did to find B in terms of A, we first started by taking the height of this first white triangle as equals to A and find all the things between these two continuous triangles in terms of A and found that yes, B is 4 times A upon 3. Now we took another two continuous triangles, that is a pair of blue and white. We again started by taking the height as equals to B and find all the things between these two continuous triangles in terms of B, and we got that D is going to be equals to 4 times C upon 3. So now let us take the area of this all triangles. So area of this white triangle is E, this is G, this is I, this is K. And now let us take the area of this blue triangle. So this is F, this is H, this is J, and this is equals to L. Okay, now here we have marked all the remaining areas. Now as we found B in terms of A, we started the solution by taking the height of this white triangle as equals to A and then find all the things between these two continuous triangles in terms of A and got the ratio that B is going to be equals to 4A upon 3. The same thing we did to find D in terms of C. We took the height of this right angle triangle as B, got all the things between these two continuous triangles in terms of B. We got the same ratio that 4 times C upon 3 is going to be equals to D. So similarly, if I will take the height of this triangle that is having area equals to E, so if the height of this triangle has been taken as C, we'll get all the things between these two triangles in terms of C, and that are going to be the same numbers. The height of this blue triangle will be 2 times C upon root 3. The base of this blue triangle would be equals to 2 times C. The base of this white triangle would be root 3 times C. So as we can see that the variable has changed to C, but all the numbers are same. So again we will get that 4 times E upon 3 is going to be equals to F. So here we have got F in terms of E. Not only this, if we will follow the same steps, we will get that H is 4 times G upon 3, J is going to be 4 times I upon 3, and L is going to be equals to 4 times K upon 3. The area of this all blue triangles are going to be 4 upon 3, the area of this previous white triangles. So here we have got all the required things. Now let us find the ratio of white to the complete figure. So now as per our markings, the white area is going to be equals to A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus K. So this is the area of this all white triangles present over here. So here we have added all these areas, and that is going to be equals to complete white area. Now we have to find this ratio to the complete figure. So the area of this complete figure is going to be equals to A plus B plus C plus D plus L. So here we have written down the required ratio in terms of the areas that we have given to all these triangles. Now remember that B was found in terms of A, D in terms of C, F in terms of E, H in terms of G, J in terms of I, and L in terms of K. So let us put that values over here. Now what I'm thinking is this thing is going to be equals to white area, so why not keep it as capital W? So that thing we have considered as capital W, so capital W upon. And also in the denominator we can see that A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus K. And as we have considered this thing as equals to W, so in the denominator also W plus now B plus T plus F plus H plus J plus L. And as they were found in terms of A, C, E, G, I, K, so let us write it down. And they all were like this way. B was 4 times A upon 3, plus D was 4 times C upon 3, F was 4 times E upon 3, H was 4 times G upon 3, J was 4 times I upon 3, plus 4 upon 3 times K, that was L in terms of K. So from all this thing we can take 4 upon 3 common, so let us do that. So in the numerator W as it is, now in the denominator W plus, now from all these things we have taken 4 upon 3 common, so inside the bracket it is A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus K. Now remember that we have considered A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus K as W. So as that bracket is equals to W, so let us rewrite this particular thing. So in the numerator W as it is, in the denominator W plus 4 upon 3 times W. Now this and this W got cancelled out. So what we have is 1 upon 1 plus 4 upon 3. So this thing is going to be equals to 1 upon 7 upon 3. So finally we have that white area upon the complete figure. So white area upon the complete figure is going to be equals to 3 upon 7. And that's the answer, that white area upon the complete figure area is going to be equals to 3 upon 7. So this was my way to solve this particular question. If you have any other method other than this, you can do comment below. And if it's hard to comment, you can email me, or else you can send it to me on my Instagram or Discord. The links are in the description.